Yeah, lots of folks like the swinging 40s sound.
Ooh, let's do some of those hits.
That's a good idea. Folks, sit back and enjoy the big hits from the one and the only Glenn Miller.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I got a gal in Kalamazoo. Yes, I don't want to boast, but I think she's the toast of Kalamazoo. I'm going back to see the sweetest little gal, Kalamazoo. Yeah.
Folks, may we present our swinging chick, Miss Helen Henny.
Do-da-da-do-da-dee, little brown jug, oh how I love thee. Do-da-da-do-da-dee, little brown jug, I love thee.
And now, folks, Pizza Time's answer to Tex Beneke.
Way down south, yeah, in Birmingham, I mean the South, in Alabama, an old place where people go to dance the night away. Yeah, it's a junction where the town folks meet at each function. Yeah, in their tux they'll greet you.
I've got a sweetie I know there, someone who sets me aglow there, gives me the sweetest hello there.
Walk, Pennsylvania 65000.
We don't say how are you, and very seldom say what's new. Instead we start and end each call
With baby confidentially, I love you.
ringing that number in 65000, ringing that telephone number, baby, saying hello to my 65000. Operator, let me say hello. Pennsylvania 65000.
That's the number, folks. Just call it and we'll be right back.